Friends, today I'm going to show that how to get smooth timeline scrolling in Premiere Pro. Friends, to get smooth timeline scrolling in Premiere Pro, you have to open a Premiere Pro. After that, you have to go on Edit at the top, my friends. You have to go on Menu Bar. After that, you have to go on Preferences from here. Then you have to go on Timeline. From here, my friends, you have to click on here, Timeline. After that, you will see one window will be open here like this. Then you have to go on Timeline Playback Auto Scrolling, right? You have to go on Page Scroll. This one, there is a drop down sign, right? You have to click on here. Then you have to click on Smooth Scroll. After that, simply you have to click on OK. Now, my friends, simply you can scroll easily, my friends, smoothly in your timeline, right? So my friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.